Hi everyone, welcome to CSV Yummy recipes. Today's recipe is milk burfi. It is an Indian dessert. For this I'm going to take 750 ml full fat milk. I'm keeping the medium flame and keep on stirring it so that it will not burn from the bottom. Keep stirring it. It will start thickening after 7 or 8 minutes. See that no layer formed on top of the milk. Just keep stirring it. For me it took 20 minutes to come to this consistency. Depending upon the flame, it will take 20 to 25 minutes. At this point I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of jaggery. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of jaggery. If required, you can add more depending upon the sweetness you eat. Mix everything well. Keep it on low flame at this point. Start cooking again. Just keep stirring it. If you want, you can even add sugar, but to make it healthy I have added here jaggery. Keep stirring it. It becomes more thickened. Now switch off the flame. It is totally cooked, and I'm pouring this into the plate now. I have transferred it into the plate. Spread it evenly. After transferring it into the plate, you need not apply ghee or butter because this milk itself leaves the oil. Now I have spread it evenly. I'm going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. Now it's been 1 hour. I'm going to cut it now.